Hello, in this video, I'm going to explain the consequences of pollution on society. So we have a situation here where a paper mill producing 100 reams of paper per day is polluting the river and is not paying for the cost of that pollution. It's selling that paper for $9 per unit. At this $9 unit and 100, let's say on the demand side, okay, everybody's happy, right? The marginal social benefit equals marginal social cost. Here when I'm drawing, okay? However, on the cost side, everything is not the same. The marginal private cost, okay, that is costs incurred by the producer, okay, is different than that of society. Okay, how? Because when the polluters is producing, let's say include profit, okay, at $9 per unit and selling at $9 per unit, and we as a society is happy, we are happy buying at $100 per unit, there's over costs that are also involved, and that is the cost of polluting the river. So because the river is being polluted and not being cleaned by the polluters, eventually there's still a cost associated to it that needs to be paid for. And this is the marginal social cost. And so the real cost of a paper when it all said and done, okay, is going to be $13 per unit. Okay. And so we have here, okay, an existing cost, okay, that's going to be basically is a real cost, okay, and that is the cost bared by society or by over either as a whole or over member of society who needs to pay additional cost to clean up the river, right? So $4 here, okay, so basically what I'm saying is that those four, okay, the $4 here that have to be paid to utilize that water, okay, is the cost of cleaning the water. Okay, and you can see that we actually have a new equilibrium here. We have a new equilibrium here, okay, and that I will call, let's say, when R2 equals 80. This equilibrium is the quantity of rims that we should be producing, okay, if we include part or total costs of the cost of cleaning up. And so normally, okay, we should not be consuming 100 units. We should only be consuming 80 units, right? And at the cost of 11, right? Because if the cleanup is done at the source by the producers, right, then it most likely going to be cheaper than society having to clean up afterwards at an increased price. And so this is a situation where we said that there is overproduction. Okay, there's overproduction because the producer is producing more than it should because it's shifting a part of a production cost, the real production cost, to somebody else. Okay, so I'll come up with another example later.